What up? Welcome back, everybody. It is another day, another photo. Today we are doing a photo of hint water. Here we go. Shine up there. Okay. Clarity. Hey, just a little bit. Denoise. And we'll do some cleaning up. Cleaning up. Cleaning up. Cleaning up. Oh, it's gonna be roasty this week. Super hot. 90s. But 80s and 90s. Okay. Oh man, let's go on this guy. Alright. Should give us a pretty good blend result, hopefully. You can do it. Pretty good. Let's see what we got here. Like that. Alright, I'm good with that guy. Now we're gonna mask. Object select first. Get a wee bit bigger. Here we go. Alright. X. There. flip this. You could invert. Yeah. Check saturation out. Use that. Okay. Reduction. Haze. Waiting. Texture. Full beat. Alright. That's gonna do it. That's our photo for today. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next. Bye-bye.